Emmanuel. With the boys.
Oh, boys, yes,
You.
You have size for him? If I have time now, I
take it in.
make a little adjustment.
Funeral is in like what, 3 hours?
What, really?
Even did get to show on the aftermath. The tarpaulin still all up. Pat them wash again for this afternoon again. And thing, we had to wake up so super early to clean up the whole place. I don't know why the hell this man's talking to me like I'm talking to him. And thing, and yeah, so we're just here trying to get ready for the funeral. Bay left his suit, so Tajil's gonna wear his suit, so we don't have to worry about getting the suit, but we're gonna go get him a shirt. Bay left his shoe. Daddy! Your phone!
Somebody there? Hello?
No, they're not on the phone. That's the last number that called. And yeah. Did you know about don't out the drinks, eh? Remember some people are come back today. And yeah. That's what's up. I'm super tired, you guys. I'm so tired, honestly.
Some tarpaulin over my head. Yes!
So no. You see, if you go to that, make sure you delete it instantly. See, if you go to that, make sure you delete it instantly. You not delete it. Okay, I'm cousin, you know. Yo. Delete that for you.
This song goes out to those who lost a loved one, who has lost someone, no strong. Yeah, life goes on. Never wanna say that phrase, never wanna sing that song. Still I can remember days when we used to pour in the same young. Never wanna say that phrase, never wanna sing that song. Still I can remember days when we used to pour in the same young. Used to split so early not too when I ask you, you make me love. When me tell you some can't, you tell me some smart. Separate my heart to see your boss. When the preacher pray over your body that day, some me know me lose a friend. It hurt me to my heart, life won't be the same. Some me know me lose a friend. Some me know me lose a friend, lose a friend. Some me know me lose a friend.
Right in front them eye, still them play a blind eye. Did it right in front them face. Oh God, no easy when people are ignore just trouble them. It no easy when people are trouble you, but you not trouble them. And every time you try to build it up, them try hard to bring it down. Sometimes you feel like giving up. I'm not giving up. You're mad, God, are you alone see it? The burden you keep inside, yeah. God, are you alone see it? Emotions where me hide.
Hi.
What else? But me don't know why now we're. What? What you say? Oh, let's.
We are Kevin. We are see.
Thank you. Yeah, but you guys, okay, so this whole trip, everybody that I've seen has commented that they don't want me to laugh at them because they say I laugh really, really hard.
You do laugh hard. It's scary. Can I put something on when she was leaving and she was like, no. So we laugh hard. She changed like 4 times.
Anyways, me not laugh after people hard. If you drop yes, me go laugh. But anybody I go laugh?
Everybody can drop.
Yeah, but Bombo clot. Wala. Yo. I don't really want to go up too close because I don't want nobody shot me, but yo, the man drive up in I post, yo. Bombo clot. Wanna see it? Wanna see it? Wanna see it? Wanna see it? Where we are go? Where we are go? Where we are go? Where we are go? All right, we're there at dead end again. Yeah, we're here at dead end again. I'm gonna look for you. Look, all right? Okay, thank you. So that's my sister. Big up your stylist. Big up your stylist. Big up me. And then yeah, there's Patrick, her man. You know how that goes. I'm the third wheel today, as always. We are the 3 wheel. We are drive one 3 wheel tricycle.
Yeah.
What I do?
The belly boy, the belly.
What?
The belly, oh.
What happened?
Rahim?
Eh?
Rahim? Right here.
What happened to it?
You remember you seen it before?
No.
What happened to it? What happened to it?
Where is it?
No. So what you talk about belly?
Our bellies.
Our bellies?
Our belly.
I see our belly. Oh God. You're supposed to cheers before you drink. You know that, right? What?
What the fuck?
What
You just come over here so come move the buckle, like what the hell?
Move the what? What did he move?
The buckle.
Cheers.
I watch it.
Patrick, if you don't cheers, you'll have 7 years of bad sex. Okay, you guys didn't know.
I have regularly bad sex.
Oh,
Normally bad sex.
regularly bad sex. Kadian, how do you feel about that statement that was just made? He's already experiencing a whole year and some months of bad sex. How do you feel?
It's not with me.
Oh. So Patrick, you give me sister bun?
For myself, yeah.
Ray!
See this?
Yo. Yeah, yo, she couldn't Snapchat, yo.
This is my phone. That's not good.
You have my phone.
Take it back though.
Okay.
Ready?
Don't have no something left funny. Oh, soon come. I go watch my Snapchat. Then I soon come here. Soon come. Hold on. Hey, mommy. Me nah hello. Me can't have to protect the dog. They remember they enough away. The money the. Watch it. Watch it. Dirty job. Watch it. Oh God! Get a friggin' room. Am I embarrassing or not?
Can I no?
You should have locked your ass out.
Can I see?
What?
You should have locked your ass out, man.
Lock me up for what?
Lock you out.
Lock me out for what?
See your
Me can't ever get locked out. When you sing it, then that is a life a cut shot. Oh. Why body loss can't find? Couldn't get a proper send off. Careful. 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 Yo. That's a love, that's a loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just try remember me. Before you fuck with the family, try remember me. I have to protect the dog, then remember the enough of it. Man, if you are pre one of the, you have to pre me. Straight up. How you mean?
Yeah.
I hope I get to go out tomorrow. Can I come out? Well, actually, I can't even say that because I don't know how the ride thing will work. But I'm going to short circuit. It was only 16. If Nesbet didn't. Huh?
Stop.
Are you going to try circuit tomorrow?
I don't know.
What are you doing for your birthday, Patrick?
I'm celebrating.
You're going to have sex?
Of course.
Okay, that's nasty. I won't be over.
Hey.
Ew, you just don't want to hear those things about your sister. You know what I mean? It's so gross. Like, Macasalo, yeah. Macasalo, Benasalo, yeah.
Why do you think I can do it from my phone?
Oh shit. Yo, tell me why I was drinking yours. I'm like, how did it finish so fast?
Long time now watch African movie, you know?
Me did I watch one too?
Me do see you do something fuck up.
What happened?
Give me my misty where you are. Right?
What was he doing?
The text up.
He was sending you pictures?
No.
Yes, you were, you fucking ass.
No, I wasn't.
You. What an asshole. That's okay, that's my brother anyways. But what am I going to say? Him not gonna answer you, no one talk to no man. They're just in a them world. Me there so. You understand?
Nah, answer.
I told you he's not gonna answer, he doesn't want to talk to no man. My eyebrow come off.
Don't you see?
What happened?
I'm blowing this.
Oh, no, wait.
You guys, a plane! What? No, but I'd say them someday. Thursday is very close. Yeah, you guys, it's home time Thursday. This hair held up so well.
Yeah, where your phone there?
Which phone?
She can't return now.
What? Excuse me, soon come. On the ledge in order to be this tall next to him. Yeah, wait. Patrick, wait. I have to go like this because the light is in there. Yo, just stand up, yo. You ready? 1, 2, 5.
Oh shit. Shit. Wait. Patrick, you moved your head. Stop moving. The light. I'm trying to block out the light. Okay, I'm taking all of them. How do you know?
So yeah, like I want to vlog, but there's not really nothing for me to vlog. So it's like I don't want it to be boring, you know? So yeah, like I don't know. Nothing not going. We're just, you know, holding the meds, waiting till 12 because it's this guy's birthday. It's his birthday at 12 o'clock. And it's Heroes Weekend. Tomorrow is a holiday. So that's gonna be exciting. It's a beach flex tomorrow, hopefully. I want bats when I want to wear. I have a couple bats when I want to wear, but I know I'm probably only gonna go to the beach one time. If I only go to the beach one time, if I go at all. So yeah. But yeah.
I'm drinking the Magnum.
I'm scared to put it so far back and then it fall. I'm not change. It wasn't the cardboard, it was so cold.
It's always good.
Yo, Patrick is too much for me, you guys. Like, calm.
You can't take it to first.
It's the first one. It is. Something like that. Something like that. Huh? You want to be featured?
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, it's wet, sir. Sorry. Just sat in the water. So the sometime. Yo, my cats. No, it's water. Dog just away upon the call. 4 rifling upon the wall. Unmarked car. Drive up. Boy. Yeah, we are go on. This before brother, you must a man. That's a good long a mark. Boom in
When you start snapping.
You go sour?
When snap. When cold.
Get me nice one. You go buy one cold hour.
Snap.
Take snaps with a cold? We have the nachos. This is why I don't like walking with my camera, but don't you do it anyways? The second time, yo. You need one dribbler. You can't take Katie and go nowhere. She always have to mess up something. If I know she mess up as somebody else.
tap it. Yeah. After the straw, you know. You want the straw?
Yeah, like take the straw. Like you need it.
Oh.
Look, guys.
Perfect. Good girl. Yo, this fucking leg.
Wow.
Oh. Can you not? Like, I hate when people talk to me. Like, why are you talking to me? Why you want to know what I'm doing? Just stay from a distance and look now. Ask me for the information. Me tell you if you subscribe so you can see more. Is it 12 yet? Patrick, how are you gonna be at 12? Huh? And that's how old?
31.
So you'll be 32.
No, I'll be 31.
You'll be 31?
Yeah.
Yeah, young man.
Yeah, 30 today.
Yeah, young man.
No. Hold on.
I can't fucking stand him. He can't be in my family, eh?
I'm not.
Yet. But I know you plan to marry her one day, but I object. Sorry, me not. Can't. If my niece and nephew them are gonna come out, so me can't bother.
It's a good thing you're there.
We can't bother.
You won't be able to handle it.
What?
What?
I can scam
Shit, this guy. Oh, they won't be able to handle what?
You won't be able to handle them.
Exactly, that's why she not breed for you.
That's very shit for you, then.
That's okay. Man, at least me would have guaranteed to them cute. And we could have keep the name Brown. We wouldn't have to fight about nothing. You understand?
I don't understand.
Ah! Sorry, you're not a Brown. You wouldn't understand. But if you marry into our family, you have to get our last name. We don't take the guy's last name. So everyone becomes a Brown.
And that's why I made up my mind
That what?
not to be married. I ain't taking nobody's last name. You're crazy? I'm a man.
Ooh,
I'm a
how
kid.
you feel? How you feel? How you feel?
Tell her.
I feel no type of way.
Aye. We are talking for Cricadian? We are talking for Cricadian?
Give on your last name. Why? Let's say that.
I've never heard of that before.
It has happened.
Yeah.
What the fuck does she want to do?
Marlon is going to be a Brown. Marlon Brown.
That's not right.
That's not right.
Why?
I don't know.
May I keep my father last name, you mad?
No one told you to burn the pussy.
What?
You had a pussy. You had a pussy. The fact that you have a pussy means you don't give a choice.
No, sweetie pie, honey bunch. I wouldn't want to change my life. Okay?
Lucas.
Okay, well in your case it's different.
Yours is the same.
No, may I hyphenate mine. I'm keeping Brown.
Tell you what. Married to a Brown.
I am. I plan to marry Chris Brown.
Good.
And then I'm gonna be Zoe Brown.
Or you can marry Mr. Brown from Mini Browns.
No.
Yeah.
He's already married.
They suit you, bro.
He's already married.
They suit you.
And he's married to his wife on the show and they're married in real life.
Well, he would suit you, bro.
Mara? He's so mixy.
No, she said she wanna shit, but she was talking about you.
Why have you said that?
Yo, I'm
You do.
hungry.
I see it. You tell me.
Me not lie.
Hi. It's full of shit. Wanna squeeze it out?
Them sick me tomorrow.
We're in the water. And squeeze it. Zoe should come. And Zoe fucked it up and didn't come. She was here that time. Yes, she was. All of us were supposed to go to a club. How did we go to the party instead?
I know that time.
It is that time.
I don't know.
Patrick did I sit down on it Wham leave, G-some. Anyways, we're done. Like, honestly, look on with me and Katie and I sit down, and two we have the biggest body, and look on. No, sir. Anyhow, let me tell you something them and go on, yeah? 32 grand. Stick to one, something too long, something too long. Blood clot, jealous, and you go on like, say you can't wrong, say you can't wrong. Well, since you have this right, well, a Chinese magnum, baby Bobby. Them so damn disgusting, man. So Patrick's birthday. I don't know why she's so excited, but she's so excited for no damn reason. Oh, no, Sammy can't do it. Jesus, it's so hot right now. Like rap bromance. What happened? Huh? Because like I feel like I'm gonna drop down. Hey Patrick! How does it feel to be older by like 2 minutes? Happy birthday, Scaffold!
I'm feeling wiser already.
Already, eh? Just 2 minutes into it and you feel so much wiser. Wow. Wow. All just changed in the matter of 2 minutes. Damn. So you were just waiting for this the whole time? He was just waiting for this the whole time, just to turn 31. He was waiting the whole time. I know, right? It's freaking hot, yo. Like, I just started sweating all of a sudden for no damn reason. SZN2.